Tired of dying every 5 seconds in Minecraft? The Enchanted Golden Apple is your ticket to godlike survival. First, you're going to need a crafting table. Place it down and open it up, then get yourself 8 gold blocks, not nuggets, blocks. That's going to be the most challenging part. Head down into the caves and start mining gold, or use an iron pickaxe or better, or you won't get anything. Smelt the ore in a furnace using coal or any other fuel source until you have 9 gold ingots. Now, place those 9 gold ingots into the crafting table, filling every slot. To create a gold block, repeat this process until you have 8 gold blocks. You will also need 1 apple, which can be found by breaking oak and dark oak leaves. It might take a few trees, so be patient. Now, place the apple in the center slot of the crafting table and surround it with the 8 gold blocks. And there you have it, the Enchanted Golden Apple, ready to be consumed for amazing regeneration and damage resistance. This rare item is a game changer. So, go forth, craft your Enchanted Golden Apple, and dominate your Minecraft world. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful Minecraft tips and tricks. Good luck, and happy crafting.